Hello you wonderful lot, how you doing? I hope you're well. It's about 5:30 now, is it? Oh no, it's 10 to 6. 10 to 6. Come down the plot to have a water. Not water everything, because I don't really water everything. It's not my bag. It's not my bag, baby. Yeah, I don't really see the point. Me personally, this is just me. I don't see the point in coming down twice a day to keep plants alive when it's like a ridiculous a ridiculous heat wave. I don't think we've had rain now for 5 weeks. Yeah, so I'm keeping my fruit trees alive. I'm making sure, well, the apples, I mulch them anyway, so they don't need a lot of water. They're just getting maybe half a gallon each, every now and again of water to keep them going. But look, they're really lush. They're really lush. And the same with my grapevine. I don't know if you can see it there in the greenhouse. Let's go backward, shall we? That's looking really lush too. Gets a little bit of water, not much. But as for my potatoes, potatoes are now harvested essentially. I've had new potatoes. They're not going to get any fatter because there's not enough water coming out the sky to plump them up. I'm not watering them again every day. It's just it doesn't seem. When I say right, it just doesn't sit with me. We get a text message every day now saying please conserve water, and yeah, coming down and pumping loads of it on my allotment so I can get some vegetables. I mean, I don't need them to live. I can still pop to the supermarket. Should I need these to live, then yes, I would put a load of water on them, but I don't, so I'm not going to bother. Still getting rhubarb, still getting a fair few herbs, horseradishes, pretty much at my onions now. Garlics are stored away, so I'm using them. Potatoes, had new potatoes, a few big ones, but it's not been a great harvest, as you'd expect. Beans I didn't grow this year. Lettuce, again, too hot, did alright, but I'll start again in a couple of weeks with lettuce. It's my personal opinion is that it's too damn hard right now to garden, and I'm not about making it hard to garden. I'm all about easy, lazy gardening, good for nature, and enjoy yourself really. I mean, I've got to be honest, the one good thing about this weather is the weeds don't really grow because they're struggling too. So, hey, although my thistles are doing great and they were full the other day of butterflies. Check them out. Do love them. I do absolutely love them. But yeah, everything's going good. Well, everything's going okay. I'm going to have loads of apples, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. What else? I've had loads of soft fruit as well. I've still got more coming, look. So we can get in here and have a look. There we go. Loads of soft fruit. More on the way. Ho-ho! Lots of pies being made by me. And a few bits of jam. And jams and jellies. Yeah, that sort of thing. I don't really know what to show you because it's all a much of a muchness right now, to be fair. It's all looking very dry. And as I've said, my potatoes, there's that. I've essentially started harvesting them. I've got like 3 pots to go now. I've got a few left at the back, which I think will be all right because they've just flowered a week ago and they're still quite green. So you never know. But yeah, this season I've enjoyed it. Well, it's not even over yet, but I heard a thing on the radio when I was coming down here this morning saying that farmers are already cropping early, and I am harvesting early. Sorry, because things are cropping early, and it's the same here. My poppies, look. Gone to seed already. We're in mid-July, gone to seed already. Yeah, so yeah, enjoying it. Nice, warm, but it is what it is. Yeah, I think now, to be fair, I'll start the tidy up ready for the autumn to plant. I'm going to put autumn potatoes in, ready for Christmas, things like that. So yeah, at some point I will be chopping my thistles down, and I've got to stake my apples because there's an apple tree there, and I think I mentioned to you before. Can you see it leaning? There, it's because the ground here gets wet over the years when it's grown. It's fallen over and it needs to be staked. I am debating digging it in the winter and propping it back up again, but it depends how much energy I've got. Oh, on the subject of potatoes, I mean, this doesn't bother me too much. I think I've said to you before that when I harvest things, I'll always leave a bit left behind, especially like my fruit bushes, especially in the hot weather as well. I always leave a bit on my fruit bushes for the birds because it's hard for them to get a drink. And although I've got the wildlife pond bath, oh, finger in the way, Roscoe. And I've got the little bird bath over there. I do like to leave, black currants, raspberries, even apples and stuff over autumn on the tree because I think it's a bit of natural food for them. Anyway, I digress. Potatoes, the squirrels have started digging them up. Obviously, because they're so much in need of water, and they know that potatoes are obviously juicy and they've got water in, the squirrels have been digging them up. So when I have got to the bottom of a potato pot and I found a big potato, it's had squirrel chomp marks inside it, or on the outside of it, not inside it. Yeah, it wouldn't have bite marks inside the potato, would it? Because that would be impossible. But anyway, I digress. But yeah, so I mean, it's a little bit annoying. You can obviously cut. No, you can't. You can obviously cut that bit off, which is fine. But yeah, it's a little bit disheartening when you come across a potato with a big snagglepuss teeth mark in it. Yeah. Anyway, that's about it. That's about it for now. Do you know what? I might just stick this video straight up. 6 minutes of me rambling on. Hope you enjoy it. But there's not really much to show you. Anyway, take care. See you in a bit. Ta-da for now.